Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. The Lenovo Ideapad is the ultimate and reliable notebook as it has a 17.3 inches HD screen size with eye care technology. It can be used for personal tasking or business working purposes as well. The laptop is integrated with the Dolby Vision Audio System. So, no matter whether you are watching your favorite movie, listening to a song, or doing a video call with your colleagues, you will get a crisp and clear sound. The Ideapad is one of the coolest and uncompromising systems presented by officially Lenovo. It is very offensive and doesn't under full load you while taking this laptop in outside areas. Special thanks to its amazing battery life that gives you the convenience to work with more comfortably. The laptop comes with a 720p webcam with the manual privacy shutter, and it will help to let you chat online with your colleagues and friends wherever you want. As far as design concerns, this laptop has a very stylish and amazing look which actually enhances your room or setup beauty. It has a abyss blue color which is very attractive and convinced users to work on it more. The Lenovo Ideapad is driven by Windows 10 Home operating system that is good for protecting your system from all misbehaving and harmful applications.